Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today I have a video that's been going viral on a video that's been going viral on TikTok. It's an espresso latte tutorial, or like an espresso tutorial. The original was latte. Now they've even got caramel latte. They've got, I don't know. This is espresso, which is like latte's grungy sister. Basically, it started off with lips, I believe. So like latte lips were very like a light brown and a light nude in the center. Then it went to espresso, which is like latte's grungy sister. So yeah, we're gonna do like a espresso kind of tutorial for you. I finally got my hands on the Morphe 18CT. Oh, I nearly broke my nail. Palette. Now I can't open it. I just opened it. Yeah, so I finally got my hands on the palette. This is what the palette looks like. So I'm very, very excited to use it. The eye look is going to be very quick, very simple. And then we're going to focus on the base. And then the lips, I feel like, is the star of the show for me. Let's just dive in with a bit of eye primer, which is my Holy Grail Beauty Bay primer. This is the shade 3. I think that's better focus. I probably was in focus, but just made it a little bit better. I keep changing where I'm sitting because there's so many different places I can move to, and because my filming setup isn't just out all the time, when I set up I just pull it where I feel like putting it, and today I felt like sitting next to a cupboard. We're gonna start off with this shade here, which is actually called Leather. So we're just gonna pack it on. I'm not gonna do it heavy either. It's gonna be a very light grungy look, if that makes sense. So I'm using a PC11. Oh wow, that is pigmented. I'm gonna let it do both sides. Wow. And of course there's so many takes on how you can do this tutorial, so it's really up to you how you want to do an espresso look. You can keep it like quite light and then a dark liner. You can go all out like this. There's so many ways. So make sure it's all blended in properly. And then I'm just going to blend it out with like a lighter shade, like a very light shade. This shade here, which is a very bad angle, but it's called Organza. No, it's called Charmeuse. Okay. It's very pigmented, this palette. And then I'm going to bring some on the inner corner as well. Okay, let's focus on the base. So now I'm going to use a primer. I'm actually going to use the I Heart Revolution Cherry Primer from them Primark X Revolution kind of range. This is their mattifying primer. I didn't want something too glowy. My face is super glowy because I've just done my skincare. But I didn't want something too glowy for this. I still wanted to keep it quite matte. But I still need dewiness from a primer because my skin does not like drying primers, let's just say that. Then I'm just quickly going to put some eyebrow gel in. This is the 24-hour setter from Benefit. Put those bad boys out right now. To be fair, my eyebrows do need plucking. Foundation, I've gone in with an OG. This is L'Oreal True Match in the shade 3W. Sorry guys, there is a lot of traffic outside and I can't shut my window because it's too hot. For blush, I wanted to keep it quite neutral, so I'm using the Kylie Lip and Cheek Glow in Feelings Neutral. So I thought this was quite a neutral blush to use with my trusty R8. Yeah, I like that, and my skin is still so dewy, so we're going to fix that in a minute. I want to go in with bronzer. We're going to use the MUA bronze in Caramel. Just going to take the same brush. And for powder, an oldie but a goodie, my L'Oreal True Match. I just found this in my collection. Like, I haven't used it in a very long time, so I was like, I've got to pull it out again. And it really neutralizes how warm my foundation is. Next is powder bronzer, and we're going to use a little bit of Fawn from Beauty Bay because it's not too dark and it's not too light. I feel like it's actually darker than their second and third shade in their range, which this is the lightest. But I'm just going to add a little bit more warmth. and we cannot not put highlighter on. And I have a really nice highlighter that I used for the first time on TikTok the other day. This is the Egyptian Glow shade from Juvia's Place. It is gorgeous, this shade, like absolutely stunning. Oh, it's doing that thing where, oh my god, I don't know if you lot can see, but it just spat out on the container there. Okay, just gonna put a little bit. It's stunning, I'm telling you. I'm going to take it up to my eyebrow as well. Sorry, I am just using my mirror down here. And you can put a little bit on, you can put a lot on, but it's gorgeous. Everyone needs that. I'm going to go off and just do my eyebrows and my mascara and come back for lips. That is something that I'm very, very excited for. Everything's done except for lips. Now for lips, we are going to go in with NYX Espresso. I feel like this is one of their newer lip pencils. I've used this a couple of times and let me tell you, it is gorgeous. And then what you want to do is just like rub it in and blend it. And for gloss, of course, I've got to go in with Fenty Hot Chocolate. I don't feel complete without a little bit of shimmer on my lids, so I'm going to go in with this Colourpop Lavish palette. I just want a little bit of an icier shade, so I'm going to take a bit of Virtual Love and Serenity, mix them together and put it over the top. These Fenty glosses taste amazing. And yeah, some of it has ended up in my mouth. And then I'm just going to kind of blend that in. Just wanted a little satin, okay? And there we have it. This is my view on the Espresso makeup tutorial. Something light but with a grungier eye and lip. The cheeks needed to be a bit neutral so it didn't take away from the eyes and the lips. So yeah, what do you guys think? What do you think of this trend? Because I do have a few, like the espresso lip, the latte lip, the cola lip, filmed and going on TikTok. There's actually vanilla latte lips now, and I think I might do that one next as well. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you like this kind of look? I naturally don't wear eyeshadow anymore. I've got like tons of eyeshadow palettes. Look, I've literally just bought 2, yeah, and I just don't wear them anymore. I'm more of like into my base. That's what I've got into now. Yeah, I think it's time that I stop buying eyeshadow palettes and I just get into natural makeup. I feel like that's where I'm going at the moment. So let me know where you guys are in your makeup journey, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.